Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the SUUNTO application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the homepage usually. And if you see it, tap on the device icon right here to see the device page. And on this page, you should see your SUUNTO Race 2. Wait until it's done syncing with your phone. Once you see the check mark, you can tap on SUUNTO Store. And here you can scroll down and you should see the watch faces category. You can tap on the arrow right here in the corner to open the whole category. And right here we have the list of watch faces we can download on our watch. So find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it, tap on install on watch, wait until it's done installing. It will basically install on the next sync with your watch. And as you can see, the watch is syncing right now. So let's wait until it's done. Okay, once it says synced right here, it means that the watch face is uploaded to your watch. And now you can tap on set as current watch face. And it should be applied and you will see it will be right here in the in use category. Okay, and then we can go back to the main page. Or you can simply close the app. And that's how you download or install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.